So I have just hopefully successfully deconstructed my Posca pen. It was one of these pin type ones where you push to have the ink come out. This exact one actually, the 0.7 millimeter pin type, which was white. And since I have another white one, I've decided to make the new color yellow. So I pulled apart the bits. This bit inside you have to get out, and it was down about here in the pen, so it was a bit tricky. I used a pair of needle nose pliers to grab the tip, crushed the tip a bit when I did, and then reformed it. So I did that, and there's also this part of it, which is the part you can see of the pen that goes in. So I'm just gonna, and I've put some of this Amsterdam yellow ink in there, along with, there was still white ink in there. This was just gummed up. So I rinsed it out as well as I could, and now I'm gonna hopefully pop it all back together and have a working pen. So some of the Posca pens have a screw-off cap. This one, the pin type, actually just pushes in. So I've got to try to push that in, which requires a fair bit of strength, which I might not have. Okay, there it went back in. Now, let's give it a shake to mix up those inks. Oh, there's white coming out. I do have a lovely, there it is. Oh, tons of it coming out now. So, not so successful. There's probably some damage in the nib. Oh, wait, it's working now. There we go. I just had to sort of charge it. But I've got white and yellow coming out independently, which is interesting, because that's all the white ink that was the original. I'll put the cap on, give it a really good shake. Get them all mixed up. There we go. Now I've got my lovely pale yellow ink coming out, and this completely useless Posca pen that I was about to throw out is almost working again. So it's not completely useful, but it does. I am getting some ink out of it. Well, there you go. I think with a bit of practice I can do this a bit better. This seems to be bent a little bit, so I've damaged the nib along the way. But as I say, practice makes perfect, so when it's empty again, I'll try it again, see if I can fix it. It seems to be working much better now.